Hi, I'm Simon from Motordrome, which is www.moto-drome.com. Today we're going to have a look around and a drive of this absolutely beautiful 1998 Land Rover Defender 90 50th anniversary, fully restored by Simon Durant, the marque expert for these. Hope you like it. End.
Okay, let's take this beautiful Simon Durant restored Land Rover Defender 90 50th anniversary V8 for a spin. I've just done a few miles on it, drives absolutely beautifully, but we'll show you on camera anyway. Let's fire it up. Starts beautifully whether it's hot or cold, and obviously the V8 sounds wonderful. Showing just under 95,000 miles. D, and off we go. Yeah, just under 95,000 miles. It's and the odometer is actually nice and bright. It's unusually for one of these because they normally fade out after a while. But all working beautifully in this one. And driving wise, she's spot on. It feels really, really tightened together, just the way a properly restored one by the marque expert should. Even the seats feel firm and supportive. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. I think this one is fitted with the uprated engine management chip. But again, I'll have to look at the service history for that. There is a great deal of information on this vehicle, GB165, on the Defender 50th anniversary forum website. Photos of it being restored and all sorts of things. And the restoration was finished in 2017. Very, very rattle-free for a Defender. You might hear a slight rattling through the camera mount. It's because it's mounted on the rear door. Because the spare wheel is there, it does tend to magnify any rattles. I can't hear them myself, but they may be in the back. Drivetrain all feels beautiful. There's no slop at all. It steers properly. It's exactly, to my mind, exactly as it would have been in 1998. One thing I can criticise on it is that the aircon, whilst it works, isn't absolutely ice cold. Coldish. In fact, it's better now than it was earlier on. So, yeah, actually the aircon's not too bad. Just perhaps, let's just say it's not absolutely 100% giving you frostbite, shall we say. It's not bad. It's also got a very trick stereo system in it. It's nice, it's still got its original stereo head there, but it's got a Pioneer unit hidden inside the centre console, and what seems to be, I think, is a DAB receiver and stuff down here, an Audison one. Although again, I will have to check the service history on that. And we have got the original steering wheel if you prefer it. Personally, I do like the motor heated wheels. Goes into lockout top gear as it should at around 55 miles an hour. Misfiring, hesitancy or overheating, as I say. A decent 50th anniversary Defender is an absolute joy to drive. Now this is, well, more than decent, shall we say. Copes with the bumps in the road nicely. No nasty suspension noises, just nothing, just exactly as you would hope it should be. As I say, Simon Durant has a name for doing these, and deservedly so. Very nice under braking. So I think that's about it. There's not much more I can say about it. Absolutely gorgeous. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com. End.